Well, hello, gents. What are you doing? I mean, I can already see what you're doing. But I think the important thing is look what's in the back over there.
When you're ready.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Just barely fitting.
Such excite.
I was about to say, this is a nice sight we get to see. We haven't seen this in a while.
Yeah.
Say hi, Adam.
Hi, Adam.
So, for the people at home, why is this bad boy in the garage right now? What are you working on?
Well, as you've seen with the control arms, we're gonna put the control arms on, and the wheels, and the brakes, and all of that. Yeah, watch your knee there.
That's it. Gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da.
These bad dogs.
Yeah, so fun fact of me being really dumb and not knowing
Oh,
what
that's
these are. Well, it's okay. People can forgive you. So Cody sent me a photo of these on Messenger, and we were talking about ski bike stuff previously before that. And I was like, oh, what did you look at that? Is that a new type of like frame you're working on for your ski bike? No. It's not.
There we go. Alright. Oof, hopefully these have a little bit of flex. Pretty tight with the holes.
So once those are on, then
Well, I have to go get more stuff. So we'll go get all the stuff I need, and then come on down. You can come down too. Let's go get some stuff.
Woohoo! Down to the abyss we go.
Hey, you put more lights down here. Holy shit.
This side's well lit over here.
It's like a haunted house.
Haunted house of car parts.
Well, not anymore, but...
Adam, catch. Good.
Ayo.
Catch this one too. Oh, I know what that is. Okay, so I need 2, 4, I need 8. Come on, Bessie. Oh my God, got the uprights. Where's the black things? These. Up.
All right, here we go.
So take the brake caliper off.
What needs to come off?
That.
This?
Yep.
Okay.
And then those washers we're not using.
Oh, then the bracket goes in
Bracket
between. And
replaces
then
those.
this.
And then we gotta tighten all that crap on.
I got it.
Okay, they are super busy. Cody's gonna be working on control arms. Adam's gonna be working on the uprights. So I'm gonna let them do their thing, and let's just sit back, relax, and enjoy this montage. Oh boy, here we go. You've seen these before. Look at that. Cody's been over here going, oh, every time he walks past it for the past 5 minutes.
Well, look at this. Hold on, wait.
Wait, there's more.
Oh, wait.
Look at that massive beast.
Check.
Handle with care, Adam.
I was just looking at it, doesn't hit. Kick butt.
I was about to say, we got a lot done.
This is, I mean, the front half of the car is basically done. I mean, we still have to put shims in there, and still got to weld gussets on. But I want to, want to make sure it all fits. It does. So,
Ooh,
It
ooh.
is amazing. So I like that. Yeah, lock to lock, doesn't hit anywhere. So only left now is the wheels.
I was about to say we should put on that one so I can get over there and
Yeah.
see it.
But we'll start with that one.
I know you guys have been used to seeing these on the Repu before it got its wheels, and now to its true home.
Boom.
Look at that. Or how does it feel to have this come back to life after 3.5 to 4 years?
Feels good. I mean, it's not to life yet, but it's getting there. Feels good to me because I paced myself, made sure I had funding and or time. Yeah, we don't need again. Funding and or time to put into it, so that way still running a good business and all that. So feels amazing. There we go.
Well, I know since I've been here, it's always been the goal, work on what you can for the Enviate, and now you're here and it's, coming back to life like you said.
Oh, that hurt the wheels. So it looks like a lot with wheels on it. Nice. I remember it always hit here before, so we have
Look
to get,
at that.
We have to get steering rack locks so it doesn't hit.
Oh.
Oh, that hits back there, so. Oh, weird.
Does it not hit there?
I think it's because this is loose.
Oh.
I have to put spacers in there.
Alrighty. You guys got a lot done. Adam, you did a lot as I was just sitting here twiddling my thumbs.
Assembly, disassembly, a few things here and there.
So,
Thank you.
what's next?
Let's see. Next, I'm gonna get the steering wheel in.
Mm-hmm.
Steering rack's obviously sitting there, but get the steering wheel in, get all the bearings in, and then the pedal box. That way I can start, making the car drivable. Then after that, we got to do the push rods, rockers, all that. You can see they're kind of chilling there, but they're not final by any means. Got to get those in, got to get those mounted. Once the paddle box is in, then I can build the third element in the front because it clears the paddle assembly inside the car. So start chipping away at it one bit at a time, and then tons of carbon left, so we're going to be working on that too. So
Sweet. So, do you know when ETA for the...
no idea.
It's about the engine, like the engine that you can kind of mock with.
Okay, so that is ready now,
Oh, okay.
but I can't do anything with it because it's all gearbox dependent
Ah,
on where I
gotcha.
place the engine.
Gotcha.
I could slap the rear subframe back in the jig and build motor mounts, and then hang the engine, but it's not everything. The
No
whole rear half of
benefit.
the car is dependent on that gearbox. So without that
Gotcha.
gearbox, we won't have a complete car, obviously. But I have a backup plan. We can run, we can toss another gearbox in there. It just won't be as cool. But I don't want to do that because it's a lot of wasted work.
Understandable.
So either way, we'll make Pikes Peak regardless. I just, want to do things a certain way. So.
I don't blame you. Well, sweet. All right, well, we'll go from there. Adam, again, thank you for all of your help and all of your assistance.
Of course.
And then... So thank you for staying tuned. As you can see, Cody is really happy. He's been geeking ever since he's been welding today, since he's moving things around. He always just keeps going back to it, saying how excited he is to finally get this together. So be sure, like and subscribe. Again, we keep seeing a bunch of you guys not subscribe, but you're viewing. So come on and support us a little bit. Go ahead and give us a subscribe. Excited to get this ball rolling, and we'll see you in the next one.